Hey everyone, welcome back to Mechanical Moments. Hope you are doing well. Today we are looking at the watch that I've been very excited about, and honestly, it turned out even better than I expected. This is the Seestern SUB600T version 3, the orange ceramic model. We are going to unbox it together, take a detailed look at the design, the build quality, the bracelet, the lume, the movement, and at the end I'll tell you what I honestly think after spending time with it. Alright, let's start with the unboxing. Seestern always packs their watches safely, but this one feels especially neat. Inside the box, the watch is placed between two thick layers of foam. Everything is clean, organized, and well protected. You also get a bracelet adjustment tool. For this price range, that's really nice to see. And here it is, the orange ceramic SUB600T version 3. Yeah, that color is something else. This orange dial instantly grabs your attention. It's bright, it's playful, but somehow still feels serious and well built. The moment you pick it up, you feel the weight. It's around 175 grams. And that's the kind of weight that makes a watch feel premium. The polishing, the brushing, the edges, everything looks clean. No unfinished surfaces, no rough corners. Seestern has been improving their finishing a lot in the last year, and this model is a good example of that. Now before we go deeper, here's the product page on AliExpress. This is exactly where I ordered my watch. If you want to check the full specs, I've added the link in the description below. Just open the description and you'll find everything there. There are different color options too: black, blue, yellow, silver. But I personally went with the orange ceramic version because it just stands out so nicely. Okay, let's continue with the hands-on review. The case is made from 316L stainless steel. It's tough, it's durable, and it gives the watch a strong presence. The diameter is around 40 millimeters. Thickness is around 13.5. Lug to lug is about 48 millimeters. These numbers makes it very wearable for most wrist sizes. Not too bulky, not too small. The case shape has that classic cushion style design inspired by Doxa, but Seestern has their touch. The brushing is smooth, the polishing is clean, and overall it feels more expensive than its price. The crystal is real sapphire with anti-reflective coating. You can see the blue reflection when the light hits it. This is usually something you see on mid-range watches. It helps with visibility and gives the watch a more premium look. Now the ceramic bezel. This is honestly one of the best features of this watch. The clicks feel tight and precise. There is no wobble, no chip sound, and the ceramic insert looks very clean. It has deep black shine, smooth texture, and the printing is sharp. Bezel quality at this price level can be very hit or miss, but here is definitely a hit. The dial is simple, clean, and very readable, which is exactly what you want from a dive watch. Black hands and orange is a fantastic combination. Even at quick glance, it's easy to read the time. The lume is BGW9, so it glows in a nice blue tone in the dark. And something cool, the date wheel is luminous too. A small detail, but a fun one. The bracelet is wonderful. It's soft, flexible, and sits comfortably on the wrist. The links move smoothly, no rattling, no cheap feeling. And the clasp locks firmly and gives good confidence. Comfort is honestly really good. It wraps around the wrist naturally and doesn't poke or pull. Inside, we have the Seiko NH35 movement, one of the most reliable budget automatic movement ever made. It's easy to service, easy to regulate, and keeps steady time for everyday use. The water resistance is 20 atmospheres, that's 200 meters, so you can swim, shower, or even do real diving without any worries. After spending time with the Seestern SUB600T version 3, I can honestly say this is one of the best affordable diver you can buy right now. You get ceramic, you get sapphire, you get a strong bracelet, great lume, a reliable movement, and a design full personality. For the money, this watch offers a lot of value. If you want to see the full specs and price, the link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy automatic watch reviews, feel free to subscribe. See you in the next one.